Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And I did this yesterday, this analysis, so that's where the green line here is coming from. And this green line here was a very revealing level in terms of answering the logical question that I talked about yesterday. And just quickly, you know, the big question going into today was based off of yesterday's price action, which was, hey, the bulls made a very nice move. But that brought up the question, is this the start of something bigger? Does this price movement have genuine power behind it? Well, if it is the start of something bigger, well, then you'd want to see the price keep on getting bigger. Or in other words, you would want to see the price make progress forward, not go back to where it was, or else that would just be, you know, basically a fake move, dead cat bounce. And we got our answer today, and yesterday's price movement was just a flat out dead cat bounce. No other way to look at it. Again, what gives me the right to say that? Well, again, movements with true strength are going to make progress forward, right? They're not going to go back to where they were. So you look at where the price closed today, and then you correspond that, you know, back with the history of the chart, and you can see it's actually lower than where everything started. I mean, the bounce actually started up here, so now it's even lower than where it all started. So if that's not the epitome of a dead cat bounce, I don't know what is. So as far as yesterday's price action is concerned, totally fake. There is no genuine power behind it. So another way to kind of summarize things would be back to the drawing board for the bulls. Because am I sitting here saying that the bulls can never, ever make a good move again? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that in regards to the move from Tuesday, that was a fake move. It was a dead cat bounce. So if the bulls are going to, you know, start something new, then they're going to have to start all over again. And, you know, the next step and the first step in really generating some sort of worthwhile bounce all revolves around the 29-cent mark, which yesterday was a level of support. But, you know, just basic technical analysis, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So we'll change that to red. So again, on any sort of bounce, 29 cents is going to be that initial area of resistance. So all in all, dead cat bounce yesterday, back to the drawing board for the bulls. We'll see if they can do anything else the remainder of the week. Still 2 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.